GM. Here's a simple and friendly guide on building and testing a validator module for safe accounts. First, we need to clone and install the module template to get started with the development. Once we've got the project set up, we can create, build, and test our module. This sample module includes an ownable validator to add new validators to Safe. It also comes with a Safe app template that enables the adapter as a fallback handler and a module, and installs our validator module. Let's go to the module directory. We can run a few tests to ensure the validator works properly with the Safe account using the adapter before deploying it. Great! Looks like all the tests passed. Now, let's run our Safe app locally and see it in action. Before deploying the web app, let's thoroughly test the validator locally on our Safe. To do this, we just need to open the app as a custom Safe app on our Safe wallet. Our ownable validator module requires the address of the new owner during installation. We can grab this by generating a new key pair using our app. Now we can install the validator. As you can see, it enables the adapter as both a module and a fallback handler on our Safe account. Now, we just need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed, and then we're all set to use the new validator on our Safe account. Now that our Safe is account abstracted via 4337 spec, we can send user operations using our owner with our newly installed validator. This transaction should also be listed on our Safe wallet transaction list. Hope this tutorial was helpful to kickstart the development of validator modules for existing Safe accounts. Explore more using this guide and find the links to few more use cases of validators and executor modules. Cheers!